Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your POCO F7. So first, what you guys want to do is basically go over to settings, and here we can adjust our brightness. So scroll a bit down until you guys see display and brightness. Now here, change the brightness. The brightness is literally up to your preference. You can change it until you do not see your screen flickering. So let's set it like that. And here we can also enable or disable the automatic brightness. You can check that out and see which option suits you the best. And here we can also change the refresh rate from default from 120 Hz to 60. It helps a lot, but if it doesn't help, if it didn't help you, then simply set it back to 120. Now after that, what you guys can do is download the Screen Dimmer app from Play Store. So go to the Play Store. Now let me try again. Let me see if I'm able to download the Screen Dimmer OLED Saver. So it's the first step right here. Let's click install, and as you guys can see, now it installed basically instantly. So click open, and here we will need to grant a lot of permissions. So the first one is that it can modify the system settings, basically for it to control the brightness. Now for accessibility, and go to the general. Now go to downloaded apps, and here make sure that Screen Dimmer is enabled. Let's click I'm aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. Nothing wrong will happen to you. Basically the phone is trying to scare you here. As you guys can see, accessibility is a highly sensitive permission because the app can read all screen content and control screen, but remember, when it's on the Play Store, then it has been checked out for not having something that reads your screen. So let's click OK here, and now let's go back, grant permission for notifications. And now we need to click the enable service, and here, as you guys can see, we can change the brightness. So it's that easy. As you guys can see, I cannot see anything now. We can change it here, or we can simply disable it and it will go back to default. Now if nothing worked from here, then you guys can check the software updates in the settings. So go to settings, go to about phone, and here click show me HyperOS. Now as you guys can see, I do not have any updates available, but if you do, then you will see a big blue button here that says that you want to update. So as you guys can see, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.